Hey, hello everybody and welcome to Ruger's Toy Box. Today we're playing in our sandbox. Got some dinosaurs, random giraffe, and our cool new little construction set that we got the magic house. It's made out of wood and some plastic. And these guys play in the sand. It comes with a forklift operator, a crane. It's got those little set of pile of cylinders over there you can lift on the forklift. She's got his little cement mixer there. It spins. That's really cool.
I'm mixing it.
Yeah.
Mix.
It is super cool. And then he's got his excavator over there, that green one. That one's really cool. He was digging in the sand earlier, made that little pile. Then there is a dump truck, that blue one. There is a steamroller, the orange one, and another orange one on top of that. We've got a bulldozer.
This orange one.
Yeah, they're over there behind you. There's your orange ones. Right there, the orange ones. There's the steamroller and the bulldozer.
And the dump truck.
Yeah, and a blue dump truck.
That's one you dig up sand.
That's the excavator, digging in the sand. Oh, is he putting sand in the dump truck? Gotta scoop it.
It's the orange
Oh, are
one.
you helping him scoop it?
And this is going to get stuck.
He looks like he's getting stuck. He's gonna be so heavy with all that sand. He's gonna have to
Do it
plow
now.
through. You driving to the hill? Up. Looks like that cement mixer got stuck in that hole.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Go, not to go, listen.
Poor cement mixer, he needs some help. Oh, the excavator digging him out. Oh, he's digging him in. Oh no, that's not good. He's getting buried. Oh no, I bet you he's scared. He's probably like, help, get me out of there.
I buried you.
Oh no. He's gonna need somebody to rescue him.
Me. I the truck!
Oh, is the dump truck coming to help?
Go
You need the bulldozer. That bulldozer is behind you. The bulldozer can help dig him out. Yeah, there we go.
I can take it out.
He is.
Go.
Oh man, he's dozing it.
Go.
Making a trail.
I can't swear, get out.
I'm making a road.
I got it. Out. Oh, I found them. Strong. Yeah, you cut me out. Oh, baby. I cut out. I stuck. Oh, no, don't cheat. Oh, sorry. One, Jesus. Mommy home?
No, not yet, buddy. Mommy had to go to the doctor. Check on the new little baby that's coming soon. Filling up the dump truck again. Where's he taking the dirt?
I'm taking out dirt. And what's on the side? No, please no.
Oh no, is the bulldozer stuck? Oh no, someone needs to help him. You have to dig him out too. Help! Help! Whoa. Whew. That was a good job, man. Whoa! Whoa, goodness. That was a close call. You helped him just in time. Oh no. He keeps getting stuck. What is he doing?
Look, stop keeping that.
How does he keep getting stuck? What keeps happening?
Get too far. I can't.
Is he saving him?
Get out. Thank you very much. Don't try that one.
Yeah, it's a little hot outside today. Is the crane helping the excavator?
What? Hey, I'm gonna give you some. I'm gonna pour a fill in my gun.
Oh, what? The steamroller is steamrolling them all? Is he flattening out the road?
Get in my way.
Oh man, they're in his way? Oh man, that's he's pushing them all in a pile? Uh-oh.
Come down with this and you're not coming down. Let me see this. Okay. Steam, steam, steam. I'll steam while I try to take load this. Come here. Look. I find it at that
Is steam rolling a rock? Did he crush it? Excavator's gonna help find
Hey,
it.
don't I'm gonna get in your bed. Huh? Get in my bed. Hey, what's yours at home?
You had a huge rock? Did you find a boulder?
Oh, Daddy, thank you, Daddy. No. My rocks. What's happened to me? Huh? No. Huh? Huh? What should I like it? Huh? What's happening is going to me? Huh? What's happening to me? Duh. Oh no, come get me. Duh. Oh no. I got everyone.
Oh, what happened to all of them? Oh no. They're gonna get buried? Oh no. That's not good. Oh no!
That's the
They got buried?
That's the better.
Excavator to the rescue.
Excavator rescue.
Alright, he's saving them. Such a nice excavator. He's the hero.
Stairs.
Those.
What's this? Sticking out.
They're all getting saved.
I see how.
Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching Ruger's Toy Box. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you and have a great day.